Dear students, welcome back to computer science class. In the last class we discussed the gates. So there are two types of logic gates. First one is basic gates, second one is a derived gates. So we already know that. So what are the types of basic gates? That is NOT gate, it is also called as inverter, and second one is a OR gate, and third one is a AND gate. And the derived gates are NOR gate, that is not of OR, second one is NAND gate, that is not of AND, third one is XOR gate, that is exclusive OR, and fourth one is XNOR gate. Okay, so with the help of NOR and NOT AND, we can derive the NOT and OR. Okay, in the last class we already discussed NAND to NOT logic. With the help of NAND gate, we can draw the circuit diagram of NOT, we can draw the circuit diagram of OR, and we can draw the circuit diagram of AND gate. Okay, so here NAND to NOT, we already know that the symbol of NAND gate is, so this is AND. Just you can put one circle here, that is NAND. NAND means not of and. Here X and Y as an input, here X into Y whole bar. With respect to NAND, we can derive the circuit diagram for the NOT. Here NOT will take only the single input. NOT will take only the single input. You can split this line and you can draw the NAND. If I pass X, here the result is X bar. And the result is X into X whole bar. X NAND X whole bar. Applying the De Morgan's theorem, that is X bar plus of X bar. Finally X bar plus X bar is X bar. So this is the logic of NOT using the NAND gate. Okay, second one is, so this is very important for the 3 marks. So with respect to NAND, we can draw the circuit diagram of NOT or AND. And another one is with respect to the NOR gate, we can draw the circuit diagram for NOT or AND gate. Okay, so one question is compulsory in the final examination, NAND and NOR. Second one, AND operation. NAND to AND. Okay, so first I can draw one NAND gate, X and Y. If I pass X and Y, here the result is X into Y whole bar. One thing we have to remember is, whatever we have to perform the operation with the help of basic gates. If you draw the circuit diagram for NOT gate, means if I pass the X means the result is X bar. Here also same, if you want to draw the circuit diagram for AND gate, if I pass X and Y, the result is X into Y. In the same way, if you want to apply NAND to the AND means, again you will get the result as X into Y only. See here X and Y is there. Directly if I apply the NAND gate means, here X into Y whole bar, but the result must be X into Y. The result must be X into Y. See here X Y bar is there. Again we have to apply the inverter with respect to the NAND. With respect to the NAND means, you can draw like this. Here the result is X into Y. So in any situation except NAND gate, we cannot use any other diagrams, because with the help of NAND gate you are applying the circuit, you are drawing the circuit diagram for the NOT and OR gate with respect to NAND gate. See here, so this is the inverter with respect to NAND. Now I have to draw the circuit diagram for NAND gate, because it is a AND operation. The result is X into Y whole bar. but in generally AND operation result is x into y. If we get the x into y, again we have to apply the inverter. Finally we will get x into y. So this is the circuit diagram for NAND to AND. See here, logic is x into y whole bar, x into y whole bar, again NAND, x into y whole bar, x into y whole bar into x into y whole bar, complete whole bar. It means that x into y whole bar plus x into y whole bar. Finally x bar x into y whole bar. Here one bar is there, okay. Here double bar. It means double involution law. The complement of the variable is again complemented, means you will get the same variable. That's why it becomes xy plus xy. Finally the result is xy. See here, x into y whole bar, NAND of x into y whole bar. You can apply the same, because you are using only the two variables. See here, xy is there, here x bar y bar is there, okay. Here NAND means complete whole bar, so you can apply the De Morgan's theorem. It becomes x into y double bar plus x into y double bar. Here double bar cancel. Finally xy plus xy. Finally the result is xy. Here see the result xy. So this is NAND to AND logic. Last one is OR operation. NAND to OR. If you want to draw the OR diagram, means directly you have to write like this. OR, this is the OR, x, y, finally x plus of y. X plus of y. But here don't use the OR circuit diagram, because with the help of NAND we can draw the circuit diagram of OR. It means compulsory we can use NAND only. First I can take one input. So this is x bar. Again one more input, that is y bar. Just I can apply AND gate. AND gate. Here the result is x into x plus y. If you want to draw the circuit diagram, either you can use AND or either you can use the NAND gate. Other than these two, no need to use the other circuit diagrams for drawing the NOT and OR. Okay, so this is the circuit diagram of OR with respect to the NAND gate. Here x bar is there, y bar is there. If I pass x bar, y bar to AND, means it become x plus y, because it is it will be complemented. So I can write like this, x into x whole bar, y into y whole bar. Finally it become x bar y bar only. X into x whole bar into y whole bar complemented. Okay, it becomes x double bar plus y double bar. because here into is there. If you want to apply the De Morgan's means, it become plus, that is finally x plus of y. See here, so this is the OR circuit diagram and logic with respect to the NAND gate. This is very very important for the 3 marks. So in the examination they have to ask like a, so draw the circuit diagram of AND OR NOT using NAND gate. So NAND gate means, so you have to draw the 3 circuit diagrams. If they ask the algebraically you can write this, otherwise no need to write. Okay, next. Next is NOR gate. NOR means not of OR gate. Again same procedure. First one, NOR to NOT logic. Simple. See here. So this is the NAND to NOT. Okay. Instead of writing this, instead of drawing this, so I can write NOR. Here x is there, it is x bar. X is there, it is x bar. Algebraically is wherever we can use the NAND, so just we can use NOR. That is simple. Okay, see here. X NOR of x. Finally, x into x, x plus x whole bar. OR means logical addition. So that is x bar into x bar, finally x bar only. So this is the first one. See here, NOR. NOR means not of OR. This is the simplified diagram of NOR. If you remove this circle means it becomes OR. If you put the one circle means it is a simplified circuit diagram for the NOR gate. So this is not using the NOR. Clear? Next is not to OR. Not to OR. Not to OR. So not to OR means here x, y is there, x plus y whole bar. Next you can apply x plus y. Here the complement of x plus y is applied to the inverter, it becomes x plus y. If I pass x bar, the result is x. In the same way, if I pass x plus y bar as an input, the result is x plus y. Okay, so in the same way, so you can write the logic. Okay, last one is not to AND. Not to AND. So not to AND means first separately you can draw the NOR gate. Here x, x bar, y bar, finally x into y. X into y. So this is the circuit diagram for AND logic with respect to the NOR. Okay, so these two are very very important. NAND using not NAND NOR. You can draw the NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate with respect to the NAND. Another one is NOR gate. With respect to the NOR gate, we can derive the circuit diagram for AND or NOT. Okay, so it's complete the Boolean algebra chapter. Okay, only one chapter is remaining, that is the data structure. I think in the January first week, so you have a preparatory exams. Okay, in the preparatory exams completely complete syllabus will be there. Total 12 chapters are there. So I think total 11 chapters completed. Only the remaining chapter is data structure, and this week or in the next week it will complete the data structure chapter also. And that data structure chapter is very, very important. In the final examination you will get a total 14 marks. Boolean algebra will get 13 marks. In the data structure you will get 14 marks. And the data structure chapter consists of some algorithms. Okay, all the algorithms are very, very important. I think total 7 to 9 algorithms are there in the data structures. If you practice all the algorithms, 100% you will get 14 marks in the final exam, only from data structure chapter. In the next class we will discuss the data structure chapter. Okay, thank you.